problem solved. If you've got one of these water-fed grinding heads and you're just sliding your glass on against it here, it works perfectly fine. But as soon as you add an increased level with something like your grinder's mate, then the top is maybe not wet enough. So how do we get that wet? Because it just doesn't seem to feed all the way up. Easy peasy. We go to the local grocery store and we get these sponge wet-exy type things. We call them wet-ex. It's actually a brand in Australia. And we cut a strip off that's sort of about this wide. And you'll see. Then we turn it on, let the little feed, whoops, bring the water up. So I've cut that piece off. It's quite dry because I used it the other day. Let me just bend it over this way, pop it down so it gets wet. Oh, it might be easier to moisten it before you start, but you can see it getting wet. So now it's wetting up the top here. You can see this is not hurting me. It also won't grind your wet-ex. Look, yeah, nothing happens to it. It's like our skin, nothing happens. It only works on glass. Oh wow! Right, so now that's nice and wet at the top. I can come in with my grinder mate. No glass dust. Completely wet grind. The other problem that solves is for your thick crockery that sometimes whooshes up stuff that we don't want to breathe in. This will help stop that. This is a part of, think of it as risk management. We lessen all that dust that ends up in our lungs if we're very naughty and don't wear masks.